Hi, if you have been facing issues with the cooler where the cooling is not reaching beyond a few feet and then the cool air itself is dusty, I'll show you how to address this. To address this, we need to dismantle the back portion. So to do this, we need to remove this screw, and there are 6 screws at the back. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, and then there's one more screw here behind. There's total of 8 screws that need to be dismantled. So you can see the dust that is accumulated here. So we need to remove the dust for the cooler to work at optimum capacity. So this is the motor that actually sucks the water. So if there is any blockage on this, you can find that the cooler does not work on optimal capacity. So let's go ahead and clean this. Washing is complete inside. You can just open this knob, flush out the water. So now that we have already cleaned this, we can put this motor back and then see it's working. So I'm just going to screw this back to its place, and then we'll see how well it works. So now that I've turned it on, I'm able to get a range up till here, around 14 to 15 feet. I'm able to easily get the cooling. Thanks for watching.